You can expect a lot from the 2019 BMW X5. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a power seat, a trip computer, a blind spot monitoring system, heated seats, a power liftgate, and much more. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.